Welcome to the AI Smart Coffee mobile app, designed to help you manage your coffee maker touchlessly. First flow, connecting and syncing. Press Connect to start connecting your coffee machine with your mobile device. Use the QR code to obtain credentials for your coffee maker. Connecting your mobile app with your brewer might take a few seconds. After that, connect your brewer to your local Wi-Fi network. The app is available in dark mode as well. Toggle the switch in the top right corner of your screen. With only 12 colors, we can achieve a fully scalable, accessible light and dark theme. Second flow, checking the status. After a successful connection, you can access all features from the homepage. Go to the brewer page to see the status of your coffee maker and enable or disable notifications. Let's check what's happening with our water quality. You can schedule water changes, configure push notifications based on your preferences, and see recommendations and history.